Good afternoon to
No,
all.
మాట్లాడద్దు.
Today we are discussing about that Android a digital or operating system. So a small little introduction about us. My co-partner will explain it.
Let us discuss self-introduction. My name is Sanjay. My co-partner name is PS1. We are studying in Iman Global Institute of Engineering and Technology from second year CC.
In the presentation of, we are discussing totally 10 topics. That 10 topics is first mainly we are discussing about introduction of Android, and second one is history of Android and Android versions and Android architecture, and fifth one is Android security, and sixth one is Android features, and seventh one is Android material design, and eighth one is advantages of Android, and ninth one is disadvantages of Android, and tenth one is conclusion. So firstly, these all are the table of content which we are going to discussing about. So introduction of Android. Introduction of Android is Android is a open source software platform of software operating system for all operating devices, and it is based on Linux kernel, and Google is purchased in the initial developer of the Android software incorporated in 2005. This is the main brief introduction of Android. So we can move to the history of Android, which we are seeing about this. History of Android is a history of Android is Android is founded in Palo Alto, California, United States in October 2003, and Android is developed by Andy Rubin and Rich Miner and Chris White, and yes, these are the members who are created in Android operating system. While they are working on Android operating system, they are all working in Apple company. So they are all got idea of that Android. We are also designed for normal people to use the Android version. So that's the beginning of history of Android. So there were Android versions and Android architecture and Android security. My co-partner will explain.
Let us come with the Android versions. Android versions are either thick or do not thin. Eclipse, like so many things. Lollipop, Marshmallow is our used Android. Upcoming Android is Nougat, that is Android 7.0. Android architecture. Android architecture is built on the top of Linux kernel. Under Android runtime, ARC, for instance, lies on Linux kernel. It uses the kernel for underlying functionalities like low-level memory management and threading, among others. Now discuss about security. Security is application and system is enforced at the process of level standard through Linux kernel, such as user and group IDs or applications. Android has designed multi-layer security which provides flexibility for this platform. In case an hacker is attacked on a device, Android platform protects us, reduce the portability of attack.
Yes, now we are discussing about features of Android. Yes, we know that we are all using Android mobiles. Generally, 90% people are using the Android mobiles. We know that generally the features of Android is messaging, video calling, connectivity, Bluetooth threading, and video calling. That which we are using, transferring files and storing files. These are the main features of Android, and web browsing features also we are using the features of main of Android. So next we are moving to Android material design. So Android material design is app is to type your all UI wedges. UI wedges is a very complex such that list, and it is also supports like dark theme and light theme. like which it is are mainly using in Android phones. So and next we are forward into advantages of Android. Advantages of Android is it is better to notify the notification to user, and we are all use it is also supports web browsing features, and with Google Chrome we can also use that many tabs in once at a time, and with the support of many applications we can also change that display. Yes, this all about the advantages of Android. And disadvantages of Android is disadvantages of mainly the Android market is less control of the manager, and sometimes there is a malware enters, and it is Android software system, Android operating system is a lot of process and it quickly drains the battery. And next, the disadvantages is extremely inconsistent of app design, so long process. So this is the disadvantages of Android. So finally conclusion is in my research I have to learn that Android operating system is a much diverse operating system through the iOS and Windows mobile phone.
Android is grown rapidly in past 4 years, becoming a most used smartphone in the world.
So this is about the conclusion which we are explained together about the Android digital operating system. So if you have any queries, can you please raise your hands and ask. So I hope everyone understand. Yes. Thank you for all. Special thank you, Sai sir.